Hello dear students. Today in this new session we are going to start up with the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Reconstruction of Partnership. Yes, its name suggests you. Reconstruct partnership means partnership को वापस से जब फ्रेम करना हो. Now, first and foremost, its importance. Right? Let me tell you from the marks point of view, it is a 4 marker. That means a short sum of 3 marks and 1 mark theory is asked from this chapter. But this chapter is backbone for other 3 chapters. That is admission, retirement, dissolution, which are 5, 6 and 7 chapter. So this is the chapter which will give you help for completing next 3 chapters. Okay, let us move on. Yeah, what do we mean by reconstruction? Reconstruction of partnership means changes in partnership due to various reasons. Let us see which are those reasons. First reason, changes in PL proportion of the continuing partners or existing partners. Second, admission of a partner to a partnership firm. Third, retirement or death of any existing partner from a firm. These are the conditions under which or the reasons when reconstruction is needed. Now, what are the reasons for changes in PL distribution? Normally, if a partner is not able to manage the business single-handedly, if he does not have enough time due to a retirement or age barrier, or if a death of a partner has occurred, or due to requirement of admission of any new partner, normally these are the circumstances or the reasons where the PL ratio changes. See, when any partner is added, naturally that new partner has to be given some profit share. So naturally PL changes. Same, if a death or a retirement of partner occurs, that time also that partner leaves and वो अपना हिस्सा छोड़ के जाता है. Okay, so remaining partners are benefited at that time. So these are all the reasons in the case where PL distribution changes. In this chapter we will understand naturally when and how to calculate a sacrifice ratio. In short, calculation of sacrifice ratio, calculation of gain ratio, even what to do for the distribution of reserves and accumulated profits and losses in the case of reconstruction, even when and why revaluation of assets and liabilities is required in the case of reconstruction. See, as I told you, if a partner is added, some part of profit will be shared with him. Naturally, when part is given to that admitting partner, the existing partners sacrifice their share. So, calculation of sacrifice is needed. Same manner, when any partner retires or death of a partner occurs, in that case, he leaves his share. वो अपना हिस्सा छोड़ के जाता है तो दूसरों को प्रॉफिट होगा या गेन होगा. तो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दैट गेन रेशियो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. इवन हाउ टू डील विद रिजर्व्स, how to go for revaluation of assets and liabilities, all these concepts will be covered in this chapter. Okay, sacrificing ratio. When there is any change in the ratio of profit and loss of existing partners, where a proportion of certain partners is reduced, means उनको कम मिलता है, that is they get less as compared to what they were getting before. This reduced share of profit of partner is called sacrifice done by the partner, and such a ratio is called sacrificing ratio. Formula of sacrificing ratio सबको याद रखना है, very important. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new. I am giving you tip to keep in mind. Son, S is equal to O minus N. Sun is a short tip to understand it. Okay? Okay, students, let us start up one practical sum from textbook itself. Page number 139 of your textbook. Question number 4. Okay. First question. Amar and Akbar are the partners of a firm distributing profit and loss in which proportion? In equal proportion. They decide to change their profit and loss ratio to 3:2 in future. Under these circumstances, calculate what sacrifice has been made by which partner. Very clearly they have asked you to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So today's first practical sum, we are trying to understand how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Completely formula based. Okay, let us write first formula of it. Solution of question number 4. Right? Sacrifice is equal to, I have told you, keep in mind, sun. Okay? Old minus new. S is equal to old minus new. This is the formula of sacrifice, calculating sacrifice ratio. Here, two partners are there. How many partners are there? 2. Amar and Akbar. I am writing here. You can check out. 2 partners, Amar and Akbar. Let us go for it very peacefully. They are sharing equally. So old ratio, always keep this in mind that we mention it. They are sharing equally means 1:1. 2 partners are there, equal 1:1. Convert it into proportion. That means 1/2, 1/2. They have decided to change the PL proportion to 3:2 in future. So, their new ratio, that means it is 3:2. So, proportion, if you convert, it comes to 3/5, 2/5. Always make this very clear and then put it into formula. Now, let us calculate very easily. Sacrifice is equal to old minus new. Lift and put for Amar and for Akbar. Let us go for it together. If you put together, it is also easy. Old for both of them, Amar, Akbar. New for Amar is 3/5 and for Akbar is 2/5. Okay, in this way we have to first go for it. Here LCM अगर आता है 10th standard का तो best है to go for it. If you see here 2 5s are 10, common कुछ भी नहीं निकलता है, 10 आएगा. Simply यहाँ से डिनोमिनेटर से क्या करते हैं, इसको डिवाइड, इससे मल्टीप्लाई. सेम वे डिनोमिनेटर से 10 को अगर 2 टाइम 2 से डिवाइड करो, 5 5 1s are 5, like that. Here also if you 10, if it is divided by 5 comes to 2, 2 into 3 comes to 6. If you can check, it comes to like this. I am solving this also. Here LCM is also 10. 10 goes into how many times? 5 times. 5 1s are 5. Same manner. 10 goes in 5 how many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. If I try to solve this out, it comes to minus 1/10 for Amar and 1/10 for Akbar. Please see that as much one partner will sacrifice, that much only other partner can gain. उससे ज्यादा नहीं, सेम जितना एक sacrifice करेगा दूसरा उतना ही gain करेगा. Okay, let us see what I am trying to say. जो आपने फॉर्मूला हमने sacrifice का लगाया है, जो पॉजिटिव आंसर है, that represents what done by partner? Sacrifice. If the answer is in negative, that means this partner is not sacrificing. That vice versa, this partner is gaining. This way is the result. Okay, we must always represent the result. And final statement, therefore, we can say here, Amar gains 1/10th part while Akbar sacrifices 1/10th part. This is the final answer here. Okay, so this way, very easy to calculate. We have taken this example where two partners were there. Let us go for one more practical sum to get idea. If more than two, that means three partners are there. See, very important from the point of view of future chapters also, admission, retirement, we must know how to calculate it. Let's go for next question. Next question of our textbook, question number 5 in continuation. Now, three partners are there. Let us check out the question first. How many partners are there? 3. Check question nicely. Page number same, 139. Okay, 139. This question is available. Komal, Krupa and Karishma are partners of a firm. They distribute profit and loss in the ratio of this. That means अब तक ये कर रहे हैं, तो this ratio will be known as which ratio of theirs? Old. All the partners have decided to change the profit and loss ratio to 5:3:2. Okay. Now that means ये जो proportion है अब change कर रहे हैं. This ratio will be known as which ratio? New. Okay, for future. Now same, we are supposed to calculate what? Sacrifice. Okay, वही है. अगर if I go for solution here, it is so simple to put in. First, you must write always in this way. How many partners are there? Komal, Krupa, proper. This is the perfect presentation and understanding or of question. Three partners, put first old ratio as it is given. 3:2:1. 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. So 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. Always convert ratio into proportion while presenting. Even put the other ratio given to you. New, that is 5:3:2. So total comes to 10. That means 5/10, 3/10, 2/10 respectively. Okay. Now apply formula. Formula, which formula we are supposed to apply? Yes, sacrifice. We are supposed to calculate sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice का formula याद करना है SON. SON. Sacrifice is equal to old minus new. Put for all. I am putting here for Komal, for Krupa and for Karishma simultaneously. आप चाहें तो सिंगल सिंगल भी ले सकते. देखो ऐसा रेडी है आपके पास. This is for Komal, this is for Krupa, this is for Karishma. Let us put for it. Old ratio, Komal ka 3/6 minus 5/10. For Krupa, 2/6 minus, I am putting for Krupa, minus 3/10. Same manner for Karishma, 1/6 minus 2/10. सेम है वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. एलसीएम के हिसाब से करना है. आपको वो प्रॉब्लम लगता है, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी कर सकते हैं, कभी रॉन्ग नहीं आएगा. सी डिनोमिनेटर 6 and 10 दो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं. डायरेक्टली मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी तो भी आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. इधर आएगा 60, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. बेस्ट वे अगर और प्रॉब्लम होता है तो क्रॉस में 3 10s 30 minus 6 5s 30. तो इसका रिजल्ट आएगा 0. लेट्स गो अहेड. नेक्स्ट वन सेम मैनर. 6 into 10 60. 10 2s 20. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूं मैं. 6 3s 18. So this gives you result as 2/60, which you can further subdivide into 1/30. जब भी फर्दर सब डिविजन हो करनी है. लेट अस गो फॉर नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज 60 अगेन. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 10 minus 12. This gives you result here minus 2/60, which is minus 1/30. If I put final result here, neither sacrifice nor gain. 0 से कुछ भी divide 0 हो जाएगा. Here if I try to say positive answer is there, so this partner is sacrificing. That is Krupa, partner number 2. But third partner कौन है हमारा? Karishma. Karishma का आंसर नेगेटिव में आ रहा है तो she is not sacrificing but she is gaining. So in this way we can
easily found it. Very easy, very simple it is to calculate sacrifice ratio. I hope you have understood. Final statement, if I say, then Komal neither sacrifices nor gains. Krupa sacrifices 1/3, while Karishma gains 1/3. 1 by 30th. 1 by 30th. Please understand once again, as much will be sacrifice of another partner, that much will be gained by other partner. Okay, जितना एक छोड़ेगा उतना ही दूसरे को मिल सकता है, कहीं और से प्रॉफिट आता नहीं है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. अगर अपन को सेक्रीफाइस समझ में आए तो गेन भी समझ में आएगा. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गेन एंड देन गो फॉर प्रैक्टिकल फॉर इट. ओके,
Once the concept of sacrifice is clear, gain ratio also becomes very easy to understand. See, when there is a change in PL ratio and partner gets some profit share more as compared to the previous one, this increase in share by some partners is known nothing but a gain for a partner, and such ratio is known as gaining ratio. Formula for it is reverse. Gain is equal to new share minus old share. That is, gain is equal to new minus old. सिर्फ याद रखना रिवर्स के लिए, सेक्रीफाइस के लिए सन था, S is equal to old minus new. गेन के लिए उल्टा, गेन is equal to new minus old. See, when there is a change in PL ratio and reduction is there, it is known as sacrifice. But एक पार्टनर के लिए रिडक्शन होता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरे पार्टनर के लिए प्रॉफिट शेयर इंक्रीज होगा. सो द पार्टनर्स who get share higher than they were getting prior, the share which is received higher of a profit by a partner is called gaining ratio. Okay, please keep in mind formula. Gain is equal to new share minus old share. New minus old. Okay, let us check their practicals.
ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट अप विद द प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ गेन. जैसे हमने सैक्रिफाइस सीखा वैसे ही गेन है, वेरी इजी. लेट अस सी टेक्स्ट बुक, सेम पेज 139, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. 139 पेज पे 7. दीपक, नीलेश एंड प्रतीक आर द पार्टनर्स ऑफ अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. देयर प्रॉफिट लॉस रेशियो इज 1:2:3. अब भी ये है तो दिस विल बी विच? This will be which ratio? Definitely this will be known as which ratio? Old. They decided to change it to 2:2:1. So this 2:2:1 will be represented as which ratio? New. Now represent for future, आगे जाके. So new. Under these circumstances, calculate what gain is received by which partner. किस पार्टनर को कितना गेन है? Let us go for solution. I have already told you, dear students. पहले लिखेंगे पार्टनर का नाम to represent it very easily for us. Deepak, Nilesh, Pratik. 3 partners are there. Let us first quote their old ratio as normal we do. 1:2:3. So total comes to 6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So simple it is. Same manner, even write down new ratio. It is 2:2:1. जो पहला वाला होगा वो पहले पार्टनर के लिए, जो दूसरा होगा वो दूसरे के लिए, और जो तीसरा होगा वो तीसरे के लिए. रिस्पेक्टिव ऑलवेज रेशियोज आर इन ऑर्डर. 2:2:1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total comes 5. Put denominator, means profit is total divided into 5 parts. Let us find out gain. अगर एक sacrifice ratios formula is known to you, you get easily put in gain, which is ulta of it. Sacrifice का पता है short form. Again I am revising. Son. Gain का revise. Gain is equal to new minus old. Sacrifice was old minus new. So this is okay. Now new minus old. Gain का. Let us put first for Deepak. दीपक के लिए अगर फाइंड करने की, न्यू केयरफुली लेना. न्यू इज 2/5 minus old 1/6. सेम मैनर इफ वी पुट फॉर नीलेश, नीलेश का न्यू है 2/5 but old of Nilesh was 2/6. Okay, same manner if you take for third partner, that is Pratik. Pratik ka new is 1/5. Match and take new, and then old of Pratik is 3/6. Same manner, if you are not comfortable with I have told you LCM, you can go for direct multiplication. दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दे. दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स को वापस से सिखा रही हूँ. 5 into 6 comes to 30. Then this cross multiplication. इसके लिए 2 6 जा 12, 5 1 जा 5. I hope you got it. Is equal to 7/30. Next, इसको भी सॉल्व करें. इसका भी टोटल दिस इंटू दिस डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लीकेशन कैसे क्रॉस 5 2 6 जा 12, 5 2 जा 10. This comes to 2/30. Next, if I put here denominator 30, here 6, say 6 1 जा 6, 5 3 जा 15. This gives you result -9/30. जो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है, गेन का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है, रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव होगा. दैट मीन्स दैट पार्टनर इज गेनिंग. अगेन गेन किया है, आंसर पॉजिटिव, तो पार्टनर इज गेनिंग. रिवर्स, if you have applied gain and answer is coming in negative, that means partner is not gaining but partner is sacrificing. And we can check here, Pratik is sacrificing 9 parts. At the same time, Deepak and Nilesh are gaining 7:2. That means 9 parts. जितना एक पार्टनर पर्टिकुलर पार्टनर सेक्रीफाइस करेंगे उतना ही दूसरे पार्टनर्स गेन करेंगे. इमीडिएटली यू मस्ट क्रॉस वेरीफाई द answer. So if I give final statement here, Deepak gains 7/30, Nilesh gains 2/30, while Pratik sacrifices 9/30. Okay, let us check with one more question before you go for practice. Now we are taking question number 9 of your textbook, page same 139. Page number 139, question number 9. See, you have to do it by both. I am doing it for reference by using gain only. You can do it by sacrifice also for practice. Let us go for it. Again, 3 partners, Praveen, Mahendra, Arvind. Their partnership firm, profit and loss ratio 5:2:2. See that this will be which ratio? Naturally, old. They are deciding that after this date, profit loss decided to change PL to 2/9, 3/9 and 4/9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 को आपको ये प्रपोर्शन में, ये रेशियो में ना देख के डायरेक्टली आपको प्रपोर्शन में दिया है. कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. एज न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, वी आर अप्लाइंग गेन फॉर्मूला to find out. Even you are supposed to wait by what sacrifice has been done by which partner, but by using which formula? By using gains formula. ठीक है, so let us go for it. Same manner when you go for solution, first you will put what? Partner's name, Praveen, Mahendra and Arvind. 3 partners. Okay, फर्स्ट वी विल, आप एक ही ट्रेंड रखो, पुट फर्स्ट ओल्ड, इजी बिकम्स इट इजी. 5 2 2. सो 5/9, 2/9, 2/9 respectively. If I put new ratio, new to it is given in proportion. Praveen 2/9, 3/9, 4/9. See how easy it is. Denominator in both the cases is same. जल्दी से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. लेट अस गो फॉर इट. अप्लाई गेन का फॉर्मूला लगाना है, तो गेन इज इक्वल टू न्यू माइनस ओल्ड. ओके, सो लेट अस अप्लाई फॉर ईच वन ऑफ देम. पहले मैं प्रवीण के लिए न्यू है 2/9. सिर्फ लिफ्टिंग में ध्यान देना, न्यू माइनस ओल्ड. minus 5 by 9. Same manner for Mahendra, I will put that time I can put new minus old. Your mind should guide you. You should keep in mind. For Arvind also same manner, 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 minus 2 by. See, denominator is same, so it will come common 9. Here, if I put here, it will come to 2 minus 5. So, this is 3 by same manner for this partner, denominator 3 minus 2. सीधा सीधा है, 9 common है, 3 minus 2. So, it comes to 1 by 9. Okay, please see that this comes minus 3. This is positive 1 by 9. This answer is also common 9, positive 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Positive 2 by 9. ये नेगेटिव है तो पार्टनर गेन नहीं कर रहा है, तो क्या कर रहा है? सेक्रीफाइस. ये पॉजिटिव है आंसर, इसीलिए पार्टनर गेन. रिजल्ट ऑलवेज वी मस्ट राइट. नाउ हियर you are supposed to give answer what sacrifice has been made by which partner. So here answer will be 3 by 9 part is sacrificed by whom? Praveen. Only Praveen sacrifices 3 by 9 part. So this was very easy, isn't it? So first part of chapter we have completed with this calculation of sacrifice and gain ratio. Let us go with next session and understand how to deal with accumulated PL.